न चौरहार्यं न च राजहार्यं
न भात्युभाज्यं न च भारकारी व्यये कृते वर्धते एव नित्यं विद्याधनं सर्वधनप्रधानम्. Knowledge is a wealth which cannot be stolen by thieves, confiscated by kings, divided among brothers, nor does it burden the bearer. The more it is used, it grows, and it is the supreme wealth of all. Among various kinds of knowledge, Vanijya Vidya is one, and we all are devotees of Vanijya Vidya. Chanakya says, trade and commerce are backbone of any prosperous nation. Without commerce, a nation cannot survive or grow. Our ICAI motto,
one of the shloka of Kathopanishad, elaborates the importance of values such as awareness, purity, and commitment for a supreme purpose, Brahma. Thus, Vanijya Vidya acts as a philosophical compass for shaping the values and actions of CA throughout their career pathways.
I am here to throw light on the topic Career Pathways, Emerging Opportunities for Chartered Accountants. Good noon everyone, my greetings to all. Myself Jayati Mehta from Jamnagar, Gujarat. I am an aspiring chartered accountant pursuing my articleship from Sonecha and Amlani Partnership Firm. Chartered accountancy has been recognized as one of the highly desired career choices for students pursuing commerce. And as new changes happen, as Bhagavad Gita says, परिवर्तन संसार का नियम है. As new changes happen in the market which we are in, the realm of opportunities for CAs increases. Hence, these opportunities can be bifurcated, rather classified based on two criteria: line of work and domain of work. Now, before getting into this, for highlighting the importance of opportunities, I would like to give you all an example. Who would have thought before years that instead of going to income tax department for submitting income tax returns in hard copy, we would be having an income tax portal. And even after accepting this yearly compliance, who would have ever thought that we would be doing monthly compliance through GST portal? Hence, our field is constantly evolving and we can witness this. So the first criteria, which is line of work. This can be elaborated as the professional occupation which CAs can pursue. The most pursued career option which most of the chartered accountants pursue is CA. For CA is job. People get into various kinds of companies and industries. Then the second most pursued career option is chartered accountants in practice. Many people start their practice being a sole proprietor or in partnership firms. The most recent category which can be added in this list is being a content creator. We can take example of CA Kushal Lodha for it. He is a influencer who is setting high benchmarks for it. The next category is being an educator. A full-time teaching profession is a career option pursued by many chartered accountants, and CA J.K. Shah sir is a leading example. The next can be easily guessed by just saying, ये तो हम भी बना लेंगे. Yes, you all guessed it right. It is entrepreneur, businessman, and industrialist. CA Aman Gupta is an example for it. Moreover, CA Kumar Mangalam Birla is also a leading example, setting high benchmarks in the industry. The next category is being an author. CAs can also be an author. CAs can also be a consultant and advisor in various kinds of industries. The next most controversial yet rewarding career after CA is politics. CA Piyush Goyal sir is a leading example, which we all know. If your public speaking skills and your technical knowledge is sound, then the next career option is for you. Media anchoring. CA Anil Sampi sir is a very well-known example who is the editor of Z Business. Moreover, CAs can also be a research analyst. CAs can also pursue career as a career counselor, as a motivator, or as a public speaker. Now, as I said earlier, these opportunities can be classified based on two criteria. We discussed the first one. The second one is the domain of work. Now, the various kinds of domains which CAs can pursue can be enumerated as the list which I will give you just now. But before that, there's an announcement to be made. Everyone sitting over here, fasten your seat belts as the flight is going to take off. Routing domain of work and Zoom. We are here. FinTech, Big Data Analytics, AI for accounting and blockchain, forensic accounting for cybersecurity and fraud detection, digital audit, sustainability and ESG reporting, green finance, risk management, internal audit, strategic roles. New age taxation like digital asset taxation, GST, gaming industry taxation, international taxation, transfer pricing, public policy and governance, financial literacy and education, financial reporting, financial planning and analyst, M&A, investment banking, private equity. Your kind attention please. Corporate training, research work, marketing, valuation service, actuarial service, arbitration service, capital market service, FCRA and FEMA services, outsourcing service like KPO, BPO, management consultancy service, eco services, IBC consultancy, MSME consultancy, real estate consultancy, business setup consultation, loan syndication and project financing, payroll accounting, subsidy facilitation, virtual CFO, यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, consolidation of accountants, freelancing, insurance and banking advisory, guidance in pension sector, investment advisory, custom advisory, corporate tax advisory, information system audit, company liquidation, labor law guidance, preparation of IPO, XBRL, consolidated accounting, etc. and more. It is very important to note that these were not the only opportunities for CAs. Even the current opportunities, even the current practices like taxation related like assessment, returns, audits are emerging opportunities as continuous change in it has led to a need of CAs in it. Moreover, many CA after pursuing the degree do additional degrees like many do CPA, CFA, ACCA, FRM, etc. Also, many chartered accountants who are aspiring like me pursue additional degree along with CA, BCom, LLB, and what not. Also, many people do MBA from top business schools, IIMs. Hence, these degrees in addition to CA degree play a huge role in shaping their career pathways. Also, many people do various government jobs after passing UGC NET, UPSC, GPSC. Hence, I would like to conclude by saying that career pathways based on emerging opportunities for chartered accountants has a very widespread reach, and it will keep on metamorphosing every morning and unfolding it into a pathway with the elegance of a butterfly's wings and enchanting a butterfly's flight. And that's the beauty of it. So keep loving your work as work is worship. So at last I would just say that रुक जाना नहीं तो कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के. Thank you so much everyone.